Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix lag in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, as I playing this video, if you face lag in playing any kind of video, you can just fix the lag if you have a high-end PC. So for that you need to just go to your edit and click on preferences, and as you can see memory, click on memory. And as you can see, I have 16 GB installed RAM memory in my PC. If you have like 16 GB or like 24 GB or like 32 GB, you can make this reserved for other application less than usual. Just like in my case, I have 16 GB and I am making reserved for other application 5 GB, and it is also available RAM for Premiere Pro is 11 GB. Just like if you have 32 GB, you can make this like 8 GB and it will be automatically like 20 GB. So just make it according to you, and after that just click on OK. And if that isn't solved your problem, then you can just click on this icon to mark where it is lagging. Just like click on here and just like clicking here, and it is marked here as you can see. Now after that click on sequence and click on render into out, and after that the lag will be finished and you can solve the lag. So guys, that's how you can fix the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.